Hello dear friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video we will be discussing some multiple choice questions related to topics of human reproduction. In the previous videos, in 2-3 videos, we have discussed about spermatogenesis, gametogenesis, fertilizations. So let us start. So the first question is, the mammalian corpus luteum produces what? So the right answer is option D, it is progesterone. Question number 2, after ovulation, Graafian follicles regresses into corpus luteum. So that is option C is the right answer. Question number 3, follicular antrum is the characteristics of, so answer is tertiary follicles, where antrum means cavity is found. Question number 4, Graafian follicles contain, option A is the correct answer, that is theca externa and theca interna. These are the layers found in Graafian follicles. Question number 5, the release of dace from the ovary is called ovulation. So the right answer is secondary oocyte, that is option A. Question number 6, ampulla is the part of, it is a part of fallopian tube. Option B is the correct option. Question number 7, which layer of the tissue undergo cyclical changes during menstrual cycle? So the right answer is option C, that is endometrium layer. Question number 8, which of the following hormones stimulates the corpus luteum to secrete a hormone? So it is luteinizing hormone. Option B is the correct answer, which stimulates the corpus luteum to produce progesterone. Question number 9, which one of the following is the correct matching of the events occurring during menstrual cycle? So the correct option is option B, that is secretory phase, where development of corpus luteum and increased secretions of progesterone take place. Question number 10, the correct sequence of spermatogenic genetic stages leading to the formations of sperms in a mature human testis is, the option A is the correct answer, that is spermatogonia gives spermatocytes, then spermatid, and finally sperms. Question number 11, in spermatogenesis, the acrosome of a sperm is formed by Golgi complex, that is option A. How many sperms are formed from a secondary spermatocyte? So the right answer is 2, option C. Question number 13, which of the following cells provide nutrition to the sperm? So option D is the correct answer, that is Sertoli cells. Question number 14, ovulation takes place during days of the menstrual cycle. So it actually takes place in between 14 to 16 days of menstrual cycle, in average on 14th day. Question number 15, in human beings, the second meiotic divisions in the ovum occurs after fertilization, that is option A. Question number 16, first polar body is formed at which stage of oogenesis? So it is in first meiotic stage divisions, that is option A is the correct answer. Question number 17, middle piece of a sperm contain mitochondria and axial filament, that is option C. Next, the second maturation divisions of mammalian ovum occurs, it is option B, until after the ovum has been penetrated by a sperm. Question number 19, which one of the following statements about human sperm is correct? So it is option B is the correct option. The sperm lysines in the acrosomes dissolves the egg envelope, facilitating fertilizations. Question number 20, shortest phase in the menstrual cycle of women is, it is ovulatory phase, which takes place on 14th day, and the longest phase is luteal phase. Question number 21, in the absence of acrosome, the sperms, it is option A is the correct option, cannot penetrate the egg. Question number 22, the species specific interactions of ovum and sperm is caused by, it is option C is the right answer, which is fertilizing and anti-fertilizing reactions. Question number 23, site of fertilization is, it is fallopian tube, option C, in the ampullary and ischemic regions of fallopian tube. Question number 24. In humans, at the end of first meiotic divisions, the male germ cells differentiate into. So the right answer is option D, secondary spermatocytes. Question number 25. A reactions of granules contained which harden the zona pellucida layer of ovum and ensures sure block to polyaspermy. So this reaction is known as cortical reaction. Option B. Question number 26. Preparations of sperm before penetrations of ovum is known as, so this process is known as capacitation. Option D. Next question is, what happens during fertilizations in humans after many sperms reach close to the ovum? So that place, the secretions of acrosomes helps one sperm enter cytoplasms of ovum through zona pellucida. So right answer is option A. Question number 28. About which day in a normal human menstrual cycle does rapid secretions of luteinizing hormone, popularly known as LH surge, normally occur? So it occurs on 14th day during ovulation time. That is option A. Question number 29. A cross sections at the midpoint of the middle piece of a human sperm will show. So the right answer is, it will show mitochondria and 9+2 arrangement of microtubules, because the sperm middle piece is made up of mitochondria and axial filament. Question number 30. The main functions of the fimbriae of the fallopian tube in females is to. So the right answer is, it helps in the collections of the ovum after ovulation. So option D is the right answer. So this is some multiple choice questions related to human reproduction topic. So hope this video will be helpful for you all. At the end, I would like to say, keep watching my videos, like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for your time.